Hello student. Today we will learn about a very important topic, that is linear pair of angle. But before knowing about this topic, we have to know different topic, that is adjacent angle. First you have to clear the concept of adjacent angle. What is adjacent angle? When between two angles there will be only one common side, then these two angles are called adjacent angle. This is the only condition to make two angle adjacent angle. There will be only one common side between two angle, that is adjacent angle. Now what is linear pair of angle? Obviously first you have to prove that these two angles are adjacent angle, that is there will be a common side between two angle. With this, you have to prove that the sum of two angles are 180 degree. Then you can say that these two angles are linear pair of angles. So again, I am explaining the topic with example. What is the definition of linear pair of angles? There must be two angles. This is obvious to you. So if these two angles are adjacent angle and the sum of these two angles are 180 degree, then these two angles are called linear pair of angles. See here, I have drawn a diagram. AB is the line and CD another line, that is perpendicular. Then you can say that CD is the common side between angle ADC and CDB. CD is the common side. So here you can get a common side, or you can say common line. Another second condition, sum of these two angles, that is angle ADC and angle CDB equals to 180 degree. How can you say? As you can see that ADB is a straight line. So obviously the sum of these two angles makes the straight angle ADB, so it will be 180 degree. So two conditions are satisfied here. There is a common side or common line, and second point, sum of these two angles are 180 degree. So here you can say that angle ADC and angle CDB are linear pair of angle. If you have any problem, then please comment down and share your problem in the comment box. I will clear it in the next video. So first, adjacent angle, I think this is clear to you. There is no problem in adjacent angle. There is only one condition to make two angle adjacent angle, that is there will be only one common side. Suppose here I have drawn a diagram. See, one angle is 30 degree, another angle is 45 degree. So here you can say that these two angles are adjacent angle, as here is a common side between these two angles. But can you say that these two angles are a linear pair of angles or not? If you know, then please comment down. I am now explaining. These are adjacent angle, okay, but these are not linear pair. Why? As you know that the sum of two angle 180 degree, then you can say that these two angles are linear pair of angle. But here this is clear to you that 45 plus 30 means the answer will be 75 degree, not 180 degree. So these two angles are not linear pair of angles. These two angles are adjacent angle, not linear pair of angle. Next, I will do some different types of math from this linear pair of angles. See what is the question. Two angles are in linear pair where one angle is 120 degree, find the other angle. Obviously let the other angle be x degree. Then as the condition is given, these two are linear pair, so you can write here 120 plus x equals to 180 degree. That was the condition to make two angle linear pair. So 120 plus x equals to 180 means x equals to 180 minus 120, or x equals to 180 minus 120 means 60 degree. So the value of x is 60 degree. This is the process. You can do different types of math. There will be some different values, and like one angle is 60 degree, find the other, or one angle is 110 degree, find the other. So process is same. See the next type of question. two angles are in linear pair where the value of the angles are x plus 60 degree and 2x plus 30 degree, find x. This is another type of question. In the previous question there was one angle was given here, but here two angles are given in the form of x. So how can you find? Three conditions are needed here. Not basically three conditions. One condition is sufficient, that is linear pair, and the two values are important. X plus 60 degree and 2x plus 30 degree are two angle. As you know that the sum of two angle 180 degree, so you can write here x plus 60 plus 2x plus 30 equals to 180, or x plus 2x means 3x plus 60 plus 30 means 90 equals to 180, or 3x equals to 180 minus 90, or 3x equals to 90 degree, or x equals to 90 by 3, as 3 multiplied with the x, so it will be divided x equals to 90 by 3, or x equals to 30. So find the value of x. This was the question. The answer will be x equals to 30. So these are the important math from this chapter, and please subscribe my video if you like.